In this video, I will show how to use definite integration in some applications in business. So here we have a marginal cost function given to us, and the question is find the total cost of producing the first 10 units. So the question is here about the application of the net change theorem that states that if you have a integral of a derivative of some function on the interval from a to b, then the result is the net change of the function, the original function, between a and b. In case of the velocity, it will be the displacement. In case of the marginal cost function, it will be the total cost of producing the certain number of units. So the question in part A we interpret as the integral from 0 to 10 of the marginal cost function, which is, the notation for which is the derivative of the total cost function. So this is what makes this theorem applicable here. So this integral represents the total cost of producing the first 10 units. And let's find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative is just 3q squared plus q, evaluating it from 0 to 10, plugging in 10, and plugging in 0. And the answer is 310. So the cost of producing the first 10 units is 310. Now the question in part B we interpret as integral from 10 to 20, because now the production goes up from 10 units to 20, and we're figuring out the cost of producing the units between 10 and 20. So we put the same function in, but the limits of integration are different. So the antiderivative is the same, but since the limits are different, the answer will be different. So we have 3 times 20 squared plus 20 minus 3 times 10 squared plus 10. Here we have 1220 minus 310, so the answer is $910. So this is how we can use the net change theorem in business applications that involve the marginal cost function.